Hi, this is PC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off two-step verification on Amazon. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Two-factor authentication feature, also known as two-step verification, is a great way to establish more security on your Amazon account. It works by requesting additional login credentials. But how do you authorize or deauthorize this feature? Fortunately, the process is relatively straightforward. In this video, I will show you how to turn off this feature, how to disable the two-step verification uh, on your Amazon account. It's so simple. You can also see on my previous video how to turn on this feature. You can check on my latest video. So first of all, you can open your Amazon. Now you can just tap on the three lines over here to go to the settings. Now you can go to your account, tap on your account. You can scroll down, tap on login and security. Because I have enabled this two-step verification, we need to verify that it's really you. You can enter the OTP. Now you can just tap on sign in. So you have entered the login and security section, and you can scroll down. You'll find there is an option. Two-step verification is active. You can tap on manage. After that, you'll find there is an option disable. You can just tap on that because you want to disable this feature. By disabling two-step verification, OTP will no longer be required to sign into your account. You can also clear your two-step verification settings if you want. I want to clear. You can just click on checklist on here. After that, you can just tap on disable. So now you have turned off your two-step verification on your Amazon account. You can send feedback or you can just skip this tab. So now your two-step verification on your Amazon account is inactive. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn off, how to disable two-step verification on Amazon account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.